say goodbye to you. Not like this. Not so soon. Do you remember the day we met? I was nervous. And you smiled at me. And everything changed. You were my rock, my partner, my best friend. We built life together. And now it's just me. Just me alone. I'm supposed to be strong, but I'm not. I'm lost without you. I'm really lost without you. I keep thinking you'll walk through this door, but you're not. You'll never walk through this door again. Angry. I'm sad. I'm scared. I don't know how to do this without you. But I have to, for us, for our memories, for the life we built together. Yeah. I love you, Cindy. I will always do. Goodbye, my love. Goodbye, my baby.